Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about unlinking your email from your TikTok account. So if you've changed emails or you don't want to have this email associated with your TikTok profile anymore, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to do that. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is navigate over to your TikTok profile. If you're unsure how to navigate to this page, select the profile button down in the taskbar and then select the hamburger icon at the top right. Go ahead and left click on that. And then select where it says settings and privacy. Underneath account, select the account button. Left click on account information. Hide the email in here. So go ahead and select the email option here. You can select either unlink email address or change email address depending on your preference. And that is all you have to do. Pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.